16. So the sum number 16 is the shadow of a vertical tower on a level ground increases by 10 meter when the altitude of the sun changes from 45 to 30 degree. Find the height of the tower, correct up to 2 decimal places. And this sum is very important. This has came in 2006. Okay, so this sum is similar as the previous sum. Still I am discussing it. So vertical tower is AB. The position of the shadow at first at the point C, which make the angle of elevation that is 45 degree, যেটা হচ্ছে 45 ডিগ্রি। তারপরে শ্যাডোটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে কোন পয়েন্টে গেছে, ডি পয়েন্টে, তাহলে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হয়ে গেছে 30 ডিগ্রি। ওকে, অ্যাঙ্গেল বিকামস 30 ডিগ্রি। যখন সি পয়েন্ট থেকে ডি পয়েন্টে যাচ্ছে শ্যাডোটা, তখন কতটা ডিস্টেন্স কভার করেছে, 10 মিটার। ওকে, তাহলে সামের সলিউশনটা কী হবে, এ বি ইজ দ্য ভার্টিক্যাল টাওয়ার, দ্য শ্যাডো অফ দ্য টাওয়ার এ বি reaches at the point C at the angle of elevation 45 degree. Therefore ACB is equal to 45 degree. Now the shadow of the tower changes at the point D with the angle of elevation 30 degree and covering the distance 10 meter. Therefore ADB is equal to 30 degree and CD is equal to 10 meter. Let AB is equal to H and BC equal to X. ওকে, কারণ এগুলো আননোন। এবার আমি কি করব, ফ্রম দ্য ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ABC tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular by base AB by BC, that imply 1 is equal to H by X, that is equal to H equal to X. Okay, now from the triangle ABD, okay, from the triangle ABD, that will be tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, perpendicular is AB, base হচ্ছে BD. So tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to AB হচ্ছে H আর BD হচ্ছে sum of BC and CD, সেটা হচ্ছে x plus 10. Okay, the 1 by root 3 is equal to H by x plus 10, that is equal to x plus 10 by root 3 is equal to h. তাহলে দুটো থেকেই h পেলাম। এবার আমি সেটাকে ইকুয়েট করব। তাহলে ইকুয়েট করলে কি হবে, x plus 10 by root 3 is equal to x, তাহলে হচ্ছে x plus 10 is equal to root 3x. ওকে, এবার নেক্সট সলিউশন এটাকে এবার x এর ভ্যালুটা বের করব এখান থেকে। সো এখান থেকে x কমন নিলাম, হয়ে গেল root 3 minus 1 is equal to 10, তাহলে x equal to 10 by root 3 minus 1. সো ওপর নিচে root 3 plus 1 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলাম, তাহলে 10 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1, তাহলে 10 into root 3 plus 1, তাহলে a minus b, a plus b এর ফর্মুলা পড়বে, সেটা হচ্ছে 3 minus 1, that is equal to 10 into 1.73 plus 1 by 2 equal to 5 into 2.73, তাহলে আনসার হচ্ছে 13.65. সো ভ্যালু অফ এক্স ইজ 13.75. অলরেডি আমি এখানে ফাইন্ড করেছি যে ভ্যালু অফ এক্স ইজ ইকুয়াল টু ভ্যালু অফ এইচ, তাহলে এইচ হয়ে যাবে 13.65. আচ্ছা, নেক্সট সাম হচ্ছে সাম নাম্বার 17. ফ্রম দ্য টপ অফ আ হিল দ্য অ্যাঙ্গেলস অফ ডিপ্রেশন অফ 2 consecutive kilometer stones due east are found to be 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the distance of 2 stones from the foot of the hill. ওকে, এখানে কি বলছে, ফ্রম দ্য টপ অফ দ্য হিল দ্য অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ ডিপ্রেশন অফ 2 consecutive kilometer স্টোনস, মানে দুটো কনজিকিউটিভ স্টোন রয়েছে, তাদের ডিস্টেন্স হচ্ছে কিলোমিটার, মানে 1 কিলোমিটার, আর অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ ইলিভেশনটা বলেছে। ঠিক আছে, ফ্রম দ্য টপ অফ দ্য হিল, সেহেতু সেই জন্য ডিপ্রেশন। তাহলে অ্যাঙ্গেলগুলো কী চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, 30 ডিগ্রি টু 45 ডিগ্রি। তাহলে ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ডিস্টেন্স অফ টু স্টোন ফ্রম দ্য টপ অফ দ্য হিল। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে সো এটা আমি ধরে নিচ্ছি এ বি ইজ দ্য হিল, মানে এই হিল থেকে, টপ অফ দ্য হিল থেকে এইভাবে দেখছে স্টোনটা। তাহলে এখানে ডিপ্রেশন হবে, ফার্স্ট স্টোনটা হচ্ছে অ্যাট 45 ডিগ্রি অ্যাঙ্গেল, সেকেন্ড স্টোনটা হচ্ছে 30 ডিগ্রি অ্যাঙ্গেল। তাহলে এখানে যদি আমরা একটা স্ট্রেট লাইন ড্র করি, এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হবে 30 ডিগ্রি, পরের অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হবে 45 ডিগ্রি। এবার ডিপ্রেশন তো এই লাইনের বরাবর হচ্ছে। এবার আমি বেসের অ্যালং বেস যদি করি, তাহলে এইটা প্যারালাল টু এটা, আর এটা হচ্ছে ট্রান্সভার্সাল লাইন। তাহলে এটা 30 হলে এটাও 30 হবে, তাই তো? আর এই পুরোটা আবার এটা প্যারালাল আর এটা ট্রান্সভার্সাল, তাহলে এটা 45 হলে এটা 45 ডিগ্রি হবে। আর এটা আমি ধরে নিচ্ছি হাইট অফ দ্য হিল। নাও দ্য পজিশন অফ দ্য ফার্স্ট হিল ইজ অ্যাট ডি, stone is at D and second is C. First one is at C and second one is at D. তাহলে distance between two stone is 1 kilometer, it is given. Now I have laid down the height of the hill is h, and this distance of the foot of the hill and the second stone is x. So see, from the top of the hill at the point A, the angle of depression at the point C is 30 degree. Therefore angle AC is equal to 30 degree. Therefore angle ACB is 30 degree using the alternative angle. Then the angle of depression changes from 30 to D, means second stone is D, with the angle 45 degree, and the distance is equal to 1 km, it is given. Therefore the position of the second stone is at D. Therefore FAD is equal to 45 degree. Therefore ADB is equal to 45 degree. Okay, now let height of AB is equal to h and BD is equal to x. Okay, and DC is equal to 1 km. Now from the triangle ABC, okay, that will be the tan theta will be tan 30 degree, and perpendicular is AB and base is BC. So base is BC means you have to add BD and DC. Your BD is x and DC is 1 kilometer. If you convert it in meter, that will be 1000 meter. Okay, so tan 30 degree. So from here ABC, tan 30 degree is equal to h by x plus 1000. Why? That perpendicular is h and BC is x plus 1000. Okay, so from here tan 30 degree is equal, imply the 1 by root 3 is equal to h by x plus 1000. That imply x plus 1000 is equal to root 3h. So x is equal to root 3h minus 1000. হলো এতটা। এবার from the this triangle ABD, okay, from this triangle ABD, tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular by base. So tan 45 degree is equal to h by x, so that is equal to 1 equal to h by x, x equal to h হয়ে গেল। তাহলে x এর আমি দুটো ভ্যালু পেলাম from two conditions. So if you equate x, you will get h is equal to root 3h minus 1000. That imply root 3h minus h equal to 1000. That imply h into root 3 minus 1 equal to 1000. So that imply h equal to 1000 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So you will get 1000 into 1.73 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So that is equal to 500 into 2.73. So if we'll do it, the calculation, so you will get 1365 meter, that will be 1.365 km. Okay. Sum number 18. A man observes the angle of elevation of the top of a building to be 30 degree. He walks towards its horizontal line through its base and covering 60 meter, the angle of elevation changes to 60 degree. So first the angle of elevation was 30 degree and it changes to 60 degree. So find the height of the building, correct up to nearest meter. And this sum is very important, has came in 2011. Okay. So see the solution. So there is a man and the building is there. So this is the building. Suppose this is the building AB. The position of the man is at D. So angle of elevation of the building from the point D is 30 degree and he covers 60 meter from D to C. Okay, and the angle changes from 30 degree to 60 degree. Okay, so angle of elevation changes from 30 degree to 60 degree. The point, the position of the man is from D to C. Okay, so a man observes the building AB from the point D with the angle of elevation 30 degree. Therefore ADB is equal to 30 degree and he covers 60 meter distance, then the angle of elevation becomes 60 degree. Therefore DC is equal to 60 meter and angle ACB is equal to 60 degree. Okay, let the height of the building AB equal to h meter and BC is x. This is h and BC is x. Now from triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, that is AB by BD, that imply 1 by root 3 is equal to h by BD মানে হচ্ছে sum of BC and CD, that is x plus 60. So that implies 60 plus x is equal to root 3h. Okay, so x is equal to root 3h minus 60. So now from triangle ABC, tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, that is AB by BC, that imply root 3 is equal to h by x. So x is equal to h by root 3. তাহলে দুটো থেকে আমি x পেলাম. So now equate 2x, that is root 3h minus 60 and h by root 3. So if you equate it, you will get, first I am multiplying this root 3 with this, so you will get 3h minus 60 root 3 is equal to h. That imply, so if you do the side change, then it will be 2h is equal to 60 root 3, that imply h equal to 30 root 3. So if you will put the value of root 3 after calculating it, you will get 52 meter. Okay, so answer will be 52 meter. 19. At a point on a ground level, the angle of elevation of a vertical tower is found to be such that its tangent is 5 by 12. Okay, on walking 192 meter towards the tower, the tangent of the angle is found to be 3 by 4. Find the height of the tower. Okay, on walking 132 meter towards the tower, the tangent of the angle is found to be 3 by 4. So let the height of the tower be AB, that is h. The angle of elevation at the point D is tan theta. Okay, the angle of elevation tan theta, the value is given the value is given, the value of tan theta is given, that is 5/12, and it changes at the point C. Therefore, their tan alpha is equal to 3/4, because the angles of elevation at the point D is theta and at the point C is alpha. Okay, that's why. And CD is equal to 132. So then from triangle ABC, tan alpha is equal to perpendicular base, that is h/x, that implies 3/4 is equal to h/x. So x is equal to 4 h/x. Okay. Now from triangle ABD, so it will be tan theta is equal to perpendicular by x, that is h/x plus 192 meter. Okay, so it will be tan theta is equal to AB by BD. So that implies 5/12 is equal to AB is h, and BD is x plus 192. So 5/12 is equal to h/x plus 192. Now do cross multiplication. So we will get 5 into x plus 192 is equal to 12h. So that will be x plus 192 is equal to 12h by 5. So that implies x is equal to 12h by 5 minus 192. Now equate the value of x, 4h by 3 and 12h by 5 minus 192. So 12h by 5 minus 192 is equal to 4h by 3. So it will be 12h by 5 minus 4h by 3 is equal to 192. So now do the LCM, that is 15. 36h minus 20h equal to 192. So that implies 16h is equal to 15 into 192. So h equal to 15 into 192 by only 16. So after calculating it, you will get 180. So what you will get? 180 meter. Okay. Now sum number 20. In the figure not drawn in a scale, TF is a tower. The angle of elevation T from the point A is x degree, where tan x is equal to 2/5. So AF is equal to 100 meter. The elevation of T from B, where AB is equal to 80 meter, is y degree. Calculate the height of TF and the angle y correct to nearest degree. Okay, what is that? The angle of elevation of T from the point B, where AB is equal to 80 meter, and that is y degree. Okay. So tan x is equal to 2/5. That implies TF by AF is equal to 2/5. So TF by 200, AF means 200, AF means 200. So TF by 200 is equal to 2/5. That implies TF is equal to 2/5 into 200, that is 80 meter. Now it is also given that AB is 80. AB is 80 and AF equal to 200 meter, and BF is equal to 120 meter. So tan y is equal to perpendicular by base, that is TF by BF, that is equal to, TF means already found, that is 80, and BF is 120. So it is equal to 2/3. So y is equal to tan inverse 2/3 is equal to 34 degree. Okay, so this is your final answer. Hope you can understand it. It is very easy sum. So next day we'll start from sum number 21. Okay.